crappy day, Dodge County, Minnesota. Let's find some birds. Weather is not good. Got a windbreak with these trees. This is what the day looks like. It's windy, it's cold. I need you to take my word for it because of that awesome crow video that I've seen these birds so far. And no video of them. That was terrible. Weather terrible. Birding not so good. Place is cool. A lot of habitat, open fields, stream going right through the property. A bunch of different kind of trees, bushes, hedgerows. So I'm sure this place does great. Maybe I'll be here in another season. It's only got like 8 or 9 today. I feel so bad about how this video is going to be terrible. Put some of my stock footage of the birds that I saw right here, then we're done. Tomorrow is Houston County, going to the International Owl Center, so that'll be bad. Zumbro River, Riverside Park, Mantorville, Minnesota. Actually in Dodge County today. Thought I was yesterday, and I was in Steele County, but I'm in the right county today. I had 10 birds the other day, and I'm trying to get that up to 25 for the county. So starting a new challenge. Probably next few videos. When I got free time, I'm going to try to get 25 birds in every county. So that'll all be explained in a later video. But might as well grab Dodge County while I'm here. So far picked up red-bellied woodpecker, killdeer. Nope, already had that before. Canada goose, house finch, 2 wood ducks flying. So adding some more, gonna head to some other parks. Just had some Lapland longspurs. Nice surprise, about 20 of them I put in. There's more. Got some video, pictures. Cool coming into breeding plumage, getting the dark on the face, throat. Very cool looking bird. I got to hang out with them for a few minutes. Also on my way here today, I picked up a couple American kestrel in one spot, put those in. So right now I'm at 20. Just heard song sparrow, 21 species in Dodge County. Got 4 more to get. This is a Pheasants Forever wildlife management area. I just have a little parking spot and bird from the road. I'm not gonna walk through that stuff today because I got other places to go. So let's see what we can get done. blackbird. That puts me at 24. One more. Come crackle, help get me there. So, one bird away. Did it. Been walking around since that last video I made, thinking I was sitting at 24, and forgot to count rusty blackbird for this county, which there was like, I put down 5. There was probably more. So I had 25 all along. I've been sitting here listening for hermit thrush came up on my phone, northern flicker, golden crown kinglet, brown creeper, American goldfinch, and I heard something that sounded like there's definitely a creeper or a golden crown kinglet. I think I said ruby earlier, but golden crown came up on my phone. There's definitely one of those in there, but I can't tell which one it is. So I was thinking about having to go into town to get somewhere in a town in this county to try to get mourning dove, or try to drive around the county to get turkey vulture, but I don't need to do that. Hit 25. So it's a cool park, and we're done.